Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to share IG Reels on WhatsApp status like a pro. So you want to open your Instagram right there or IG. I'm using a dummy IG right here, so you want to go in here. Open the Reels option so you can get any Reels you want. And then once you're in the Reels option, click on this button right there. This should be an arrow button. And you'll see WhatsApp right there, open it up, and you'll see right here it will open up WhatsApp. So just click on open and it will redirect you on the application itself. So you're gonna see right here that there is gonna be an option to share my status. Click on that one right there, click on next, and right now, simply click on send. Now you're gonna have an option to edit that specific WhatsApp once you open it. So opening it right there, you can see your status right here, or even the updates right there, and as you can see right here, that is your status. You can now share to Facebook, share or basically edit it as you see fit. You can even delete it if you want to delete it. Alright? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.